We'll talk about health of seafarers. I was going through various research articles published in UK, USA, Germany, Poland, Australia, New Zealand, China, though there are very few articles from South Asia. But when I go through all these articles, there are a few common points which I found. And these are the common points because of which the seafarers suffer. The first one is the food and the lifestyle on the ship is drastically different than the lifestyle and the food on the shore. For example, the food on the ships or off shore is frozen. Most of the times, the repeated food items are there. The lifestyle is stressful, especially because the manpower is less and the working hours are long. Most of the times, the working hours or the working pattern is repetitive, sometimes in altogether different environments like very hot or very cold, or a lot of running, walking activities. And this lifestyle continues for 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, sometimes 6 months. And suddenly, when they come to their homes, these seafarers have altogether different lifestyle because the food changes. They are more relaxed. But in both the circumstances, neither the food nor the lifestyle, we can call it passing the criteria of the health. Most of the times, the food given does not pass all the criteria of the health, or the amount of workout they do, that is not total workout. As a result, they suffer from certain diseases, or they tend to suffer from certain diseases. Which are they? Research says that there are 3 or 4 common categories. Number 1 is the diseases because of or the diseases of circulatory system, heart and blood vessels, like high blood pressure, like varicose veins, like early heart attacks. The second group is of musculoskeletal disorders, like low back pains, joint problems, muscle problems, shoulder problems. Third group is of skin disorders like psoriasis or allergies. We, Urja, have developed packages to prevent them, and if at all they occur, to treat them. Because Ayurveda and Yoga, both of them have very good answers for these kind of lifestyle disorders. Prevention is definitely important thing. Prevention is definitely the mainstay of the treatment, and that's why certain procedures of panchakarma, certain procedures which involve different kinds of oil therapies, different kinds of steam therapies, are included in this particular package. Special yoga procedures for seafarers are developed. Certain food items which are supposed to be good for those seafarers are enlisted. So at Urja, what we do is we try to take care of their possible diseases and how we can prevent them so that their life will be healthy. So all the families or people who have members from their families on the ships or their friends who are seafarers should take note of this and should be benefited so that their health remains at prime and the disease remain away from them. Thank you.